Hey guys, I'm back out here at my 100-yard range, and I'm going to do some shooting with my Savage Mark II. I'm going to be doing some shots on paper first. I'm holding about 1.5 inches high off the dot. Okay, let's go see. Okay, so this is the second shot group after. Now you can see my first 3 shots were really clean, but that's from another grouping. I ended up throwing one. I tend to shoot too fast, but those 4 are about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. Time to hit some steel. Okay, everybody, back out with my Savage Mark II, 100-yard range. Time to hit some steel. Steel's about 100 yards out. I'm gonna have to hold about 1.5 inches high. I'll be calling my hits. Miss. Hit. Hit to the right. Hit. 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 Just barely though. And I'm out. I missed about 3 shots, but I was able to spot most of my shots. And shoots good. Even though I'm shooting fast, I'm still able to pack those on the steel. This is my favorite 22. My favorite 22. And throughout this whole shooting, I've been using a shooting sock to help out with my accuracy. And if you don't have a shooting sock, make one. I just made this one out of an old cadet wool sock I had and an old t-shirt I didn't want. But if you guys want to make a better shooting sock, I'd suggest go checking out Rob's Ski at AK Operators Union. Thanks for watching.